Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for XTool P2. Today we will show you how to replace the water tank. This video has 6 parts. In the first part, we will tell you how to take off the external covers and plates. Then, we will show you how to drain antifreeze from the water tank. In the third part, follow our guidance on how to remove the water tank. In the fourth part, you can see how to install a new water tank. In the fifth part, get step-by-step instructions on filling the water tank with antifreeze. Finally, we will show you how to put all the parts back on. You'll need these tools or alternatives to finish the job. The 2-in-1 screwdriver that comes with the machine, a water hose 1 meter long, 1 centimeter wide, a water bottle, at least 1.25 liters, some paper towels, the funnel that comes with the machine, cable ties. Okay, let's dive right in. Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head of the screwdriver to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Pinch the fastening ring to remove the smoke exhaust pipe. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws on the rear plate. Remove the rear plate. Remove the connection cable of the rear plate. Press down the connector of the air tube and take it out. Remove the connection cable of the fan. Remove the rear plate. Use the cross head to remove the 6 screws on the front plate. Then take off the plate. Use the hex head to remove the 3 screws inside the left upper cover. Use the cross head to remove the 2 screws in the front of the cover. Remove the left upper cover. Use the hex head to remove the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Remove the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the plate. Remove the left plate. Get the water hose and hold both ends this way. Fill the hose with water up to the level indicated by the red line. Remove the cap of the water tank. Press down with your finger to block one end of the hose. Insert the other end into the water tank and to the bottom. Get the blocked end close to and point at the opening and release the finger. Antifreeze in the tank will flow into the water bottle due to the siphon effect. Wait for the water tank to drain. If the tank won't get drained in a single time, repeat the previous steps. Pull out the hose. Retighten the tank cap to prevent antifreeze leakage while removing the water tank. Remove the 4 screws fixing the water pump. Unplug the 2 sensor cables from the water cooling system control board. Remove the 6 screws fixing the water tank. Pinch the hose clamp to loosen it. Take off the upper hose from the inlet of the water tank. If the water hose is too tight, pry it gently with a screwdriver. Place several pieces of paper towels under the water tank. Gently remove the water tank from the machine. Next, take off the lower hose from the outlet of the tank in the same way. If there is still a little antifreeze left in the hose or the tank, you can pour it into the bottle. Cut the cable tie and remove the water level sensor. Remove the cap. Fit the lower hose onto the outlet of the water tank. Fix it with the hose clamp. Fit the upper hose onto the inlet of the water tank. Fix it with the hose clamp. Install the 6 screws with the hex head to fix the water tank. Thread the 2 holes in the water tank with the cable tie. Reposition the water level sensor between the 2 holes and fix it with the cable tie. Cut off the excess length. Connect the 2 sensor cables to the water cooling system control board. Install the 4 screws of the water pump. Place the funnel on the opening of the water tank. Pour 2/3 of the antifreeze and the water bottle back into the tank. Take off the funnel. Plug in the power cord and power on the machine. Test if the water level sensor works properly. If the water level is higher than the sensor, the indicator on it should light up in solid red. Wait for antifreeze to flow into the laser tube. Check for any antifreeze leakage from the water tank's inlet or outlet. If found, make sure that the hose clamp and the water hose are securely and properly connected. Power off and disconnect the power cord. Put the funnel on the water tank opening. Pour the remaining antifreeze into the water tank. Take out the funnel. If some antifreeze is lost in the process, you can make the antifreeze solution according to the user guide. Refasten the water tank cap. Place the left plate back. Install the 3 screws at the bottom of the left plate. Install the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Use the hex head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Place the left upper cover back. Use the cross head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left upper cover. Use the hex head to install the 3 screws inside the cover. Connect the air tube to the rear plate. Note, be careful not to make the air tube kink when installing the rear plate. If it is kinked, cut off the part and reinstall the air tube. Install the corresponding cables to the plate. Then place the rear plate back. Use the hex head to install the 6 screws on the rear plate. Install the smoke exhaust pipe. Install the 6 screws on the front plate. Use the hex head to install the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to install 6 screws inside. Now it's done. You've finished the replacement of the water tank. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the XTool support team if you have any questions.